All right, so you know it's our princess's birthday, and what does every princess need?
Not a prince, a castle.
All right,
Okay,
so
we want to show you guys what it looks like. But we're gonna do this like a fast walking, fast speed tour because the house is so big.
look how big this house is. Look at the statues. Check the bar out though.
What, one of the jacuzzis?
Yep, that's one of the jacuzzis. The movie theater.
It has something on the TV right now though.
He said that these chairs are from the Chinese theater. The owner purchased them and put them in here for his movie theater.
Yeah, I guess there's like 3 originals in the house, which is the seats from the Chinese theater. The front gate is from Buckingham Palace.
Yep.
It's crazy. I didn't know that was possible.
And the desk.
And then the desk over here was, I guess, who was it? Joe Biden and Queen Elizabeth are the only 2 people with this desk. Living area, bathroom, dining area, staircase, another staircase, the kitchen.
Everything in here is like originals. They told us don't break these statues. They're $40,000. That's crazy.
This is the desk that they said, I think Obama or Biden and Queen Elizabeth were the only people that had it.
This is the pool area.
And the backyard area. And then we have the golf course down here.
Ooh, they got a cannon over there. Golf course. We could go up right here. They got a pond. There's a pond down here.
So here's one room with a double bed. I actually think this is super cute. There's a sauna in there. There's another room. I really like this one because of the way the air blows in here. It feels really good. I actually really do like this idea for Noemi. This is supposed to be the master bedroom because if you look at the bathroom, the guy said that I really feel like the other one is really big too, but look at this bathroom. I mean, this bathroom is really nice. And a huge closet, tub, and showers. Okay, another kitchen.
Another kitchen. Okay, another bedroom.
I was saying that I felt like this, maybe it's this master bedroom is bigger and then the other bathroom in the master bedroom is bigger. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like this is a bigger room, but a smaller bathroom.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's the house. And that's the tower up there.
So that was the tour, guys. We will follow up with tonight's dinner. It should be a lot of fun. We have a fire show and the rest of the family will be here, so stay tuned for that.